Welcome to my absolutely delicious raw vegan carrot cake recipe. I'm going to get started with my nut flour. I have some walnuts, some almonds, as well as some pecans. Here I have my freshly pitted medjool dates, as well as my shredded carrots. Into the bowl goes my coarse ground nut flour, as well as some coconut flour. That's what you're looking at there. That is coconut flour. And to this, I'm going to add in my spices. I have a bit of nutmeg, cinnamon, small dash of allspice, not too much. And in addition to that, I am adding in just a pinch of kosher sea salt, as well as vanilla extract and my medjool dates and carrots. And essentially I'm going to work this in my fingers until it comes together into a dough. When I squeeze it, it holds together and it's ready to go. Make sure you evenly disperse your dates throughout the mixture so your nut mixture holds together just like a cake. Transfer your mixture into your dessert dish and press down firmly. Pop this in the freezer while you prepare your frosting. Into a mixing bowl goes my cashews as well as a bit of fresh lemon juice, coconut milk, a bit of agave nectar, in addition to a small dash of vanilla extract. Once that's blended until smooth, pour it right over top and pop it back in the freezer for an additional hour, or until your dessert is completely set. I'm going to garnish with some of the leftover pecans that I had and a bit of grated fresh nutmeg. Go ahead and cut yourself a slice and enjoy. For the full recipe, make sure you lock in your copy of my new hardcover raw vegan cookbook. Absolutely a labor of love. Anything you would need to know, things that you already know, everything is magnified in this book. Coming out July 4th.